Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. So in previous video we learned how to use a grid, um, a simple grid having row and column and call span and row span. Um, I in the previous video I send you a task or hope you have done and you get success in that. So let's move forward. A basic thing you should know that today we are going to learn column spacing, row spacing and nested grid. Okay, so the basic things are that the column spacing, the default value will be 6. So I'm not use the column space here, so it is taking column spacing. Okay, so its default value is 6, and row spacing default value is also 6. Okay, column span default value is 1, and the row span also default value is 1. So these are the thing you should know. Here also column that if you are not using this grid dot row is equal to 0 or grid dot column is equal to 0, so it by default it will take 0. Okay, so here is default value is given here. Now we will use you will use column spacing here. So I am using that row spacing is equal to 10. It will increase this space. I think hot reload is not working here. I will stop and restart the emulator. You can go through this website. This website is very good for beginners. It all the basic information is provided here. So I will also provide you basic information, but you should go through this. This is best. Okay, in next video we will learn how to use grid in C sharp. So, okay, you can see that row spacing is added here is equal to 10. The same here we can use column spacing. Column spacing is equal to 10. Okay, uh, hot reload is not working, so I had to stop and restart this mobile app. But you can see that row space has increased. First this the space was this size, now it is 10. So in same way this also increase. Let's see. Now you can see that height and the width of the both row and column has increased. So this is the way you can use the row spacing. Now we will look for the nested grid. So I will set this as a grid. I will add another grid. I want a new grid here. Okay, with 5 rows and 5 columns. So I'm adding grid. Okay, and I'm adding as a row definition. I want 5 rows and 5 column here. Okay, and this will be moved downside. I'm taking 6. row. Okay, because I want to add, five rows and plus this. This will be the sixth row, and the column definition will be 5. I want this should be full page, so I'm taking star here. Okay, and this will be added in this here. Okay, now so I want first row as a 5, so 0 1 2 3 4 5. So I will add as a greet dot row is equal to 5. Okay, now I will add another box view. I will paste this. Three and 4. Okay, so yellow, low green. Okay, now I want okay, okay, this is first column. Now I will add 4 more. Okay, and I will add as a first column. This will be the third column. This will fourth column. This will be the fifth column. And so now this is taking only this because I have the grid column will be 0 here because I have not assigned grid column. So I want this to be full. So this is an task for you, and this is an task for you. What should I do that it will take a whole space here? Okay, please do let me know in the comment that what should I write here. I am also telling here that I have to write in the grid dot row 5 means sixth row. I want this grid should be occupied the full width of the space. So let me know in the comment what should I do that it should take off whole face of the mobile. So I will let you know in the next video what should I do. It should take a whole space. Okay, so hope you understand this video. If you like this video, then please click on the like button, and please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.